Open your web browser and go to www.municipalonlinepayments.com/moreheadcitync/utilities. You should now see the website pictured here. To make a quick payment without registering on the portal, make sure you have a copy of a recent bill. You will need the items highlighted when making your payment. Once you have your bill, click on the Quick Pay button. On this page, enter the required information exactly as it appears on your bill. This is important. If the name on your bill is last name, first name, you will need to enter it exactly that way. If the name on your bill is first name last name, enter it exactly that way. If the name does not match your bill exactly, the portal will be unable to locate your account. Once you have entered the required information, click the Find Bill button. On the next page, click Continue to pay the amount owed, or enter a different amount and then click Continue. You can choose to pay with a credit or debit card or through your checking account. You only need to enter one, not both. To use your checking account, click on the Enter New eCheck button and enter your banking details. It's very important that your bank account number matches what is on your checks exactly in order to avoid return check fees. Once you have entered the information, you can choose what email address your receipt will be mailed to. When done, click the Continue button and follow the instructions on the next page to submit your payment. This concludes the tutorial. If you have any additional questions, please contact us at 252-726-6848, extension 112. Thank you.